Hello student, my name is Anupriya Singh, Assistant Professor in CSE SIRT Bhopal. Today we are discuss about introduction of JavaScript variables. So outline is that JavaScript variables, functions in JavaScript, advantage of JavaScript function, conditional statements. JavaScript variable is that JavaScript is a simply name of storage location. There are two type of variable in JavaScript. First is local variable, second is global variable. And name must start with letter in variable A to Z and or capital letter A to Z, and another understand is that underscore and dollar sign. After first letter we can use digit 0 to 9, for example value 1. JavaScript variable are case sensitive, for example x and capital X are different variables. JavaScript variable are used to hold value or expressions. Rules of JavaScript variable name is variable name are case sensitive. Then second thing is that variable name must begin with letter or underscore characters. Decline is another word is creating JavaScript variable. So variable x and other example is variable car name. Assign value to the variable is that variable declare name them variable value is 5, then car name is Volvo. Then assign a statement is that x is equal to 5, then car name is Volvo. Correct JavaScript variable var is a variable x is equal to 10, then var variable underscore value is Sonu. Then another example incorrect JavaScript variable is that var variable 1 2 3 is equal to 30, then variable star is that 320. In this example x y and z are variable declined with the variable keywords. Example is that we can start HTML body section, then HTML2 is the heading JavaScript variable, P is a paragraph is that in example x y z are variable, PID is a demo that is declare a scripting. Then we start script is variable x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6 and z is equal to x plus y. Document.get element y demo dot inner HTML code is that the value of z is plus z. Script close, body section close, then HTML close. So output is that. From the example above you can expect the x store the value 5, y store the value 6, z store the value 11. Functions in JavaScript. A function is a set of statements that take inputs to some specific computations and process output. Basically, a function is a set of statements that perform some task of the some computations and then return the result value. The JavaScript function are defined with function keyword. Then you can use the function declaration or function expressions. Advantage or JavaScript function. There are mainly two advantage of JavaScript: code reusability, then less coding. So code reusability is that we can call a function several times or so it save the code. Then less coding is that if make our output and our program concept, we don't need to write any line of code each time to perform a common task. Function declaration is that function is name is a function name, and example is each 1 2 and 3 and number of code to be declared function are not executed immediately. So example is that HTML body section, H2 is a heading is a JavaScript function, paragraph is that this example cell function which perform a calculation and return result. P is a demo ID, then scripting is that variable name, function name 2 and 4, then function return is that A into B, then script close, then body section close, then HTML close. This is our output. Conditional statement is that, what is conditional statement? Conditional statement are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. In JavaScript we have the following conditional statement. First is, if to specify block of code to be executed if a specific condition is true. Use else to specify a block of code to be executed if the same condition is false. Use else if to specify a new condition to test if the statement is conditional is false. Then use switch to specify many alternative blocks of code to be executed. Now if statement is that, use the if statement to specify a block of JavaScript code. Is that syntax is that if condition, and we write a block code in the execution condition. Then the else condition is that, use the statement to specify a block of code to be executed in the conditional is false. Then syntax is, if condition block of code to be executed in the conditional is true. The else if statement, use the else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. Statement is that, another word is syntax is that, if condition block of code to be executed if condition is 1 is true, else is block of code be executed the condition is false and condition is true, then block of code be executed if the condition is 1 is the false and condition 2 is false. Thank you.